Surgeon working in Albania and Turkey. I'm using DIOD Arfurla laser for my hemorrhoid procedures, perio procedures, and endoliths for skin. My patients are really satisfied from the results. The Arfurla company is very supportive about our demands for giving the best solution to our patients.
How are you?
I like the popcorn feeling.
You feel?
Yeah, and I like it.